Hey guys, it's Dalton here with RV Wholesalers again. So we are outside the Grand Surveyor. We're going to give you kind of a general overlay of what all these campers do, what all Grand Surveyor does that separates them from the rest. So they do what's called the Surveyor Legendary Value Package, if you would. In that you get the forced air heated underbelly. So what they do with the furnace is they heat it, pump it down into the underbelly, so that way it's heated and enclosed, so that way you're not freezing extended season camping. Kind of nice, so that way you can camp into the cold weather. As you can see outside, it's snowing. You can try to camp into that. Not really recommended, but it kind of extends into that a little bit. Kind of next thing down, you have, of course, laminated sidewalls, Asdale on the outside, aluminum cage construction. All of them are built that way. Awesome tire pressuring monitoring system on them. They're awesome campers. Built them super nice. 12-volt refrigerator in them. They're just awesome. Join us on the walkthrough of this specific one, the 263 RKSS, as well as a couple other ones we have on our channel, and you see all kinds of other nice stuff. Again, Dalton with RV Wholesalers. Thank you for joining us on this camper.